Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can disconnect private share with a contact that you have share files with on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on private share. Next, tap on the contact that you want to disconnect with. Then at the top, tap on the more button. From the pop-up, select disconnect. Then it said that you need to send a new request to share files. If you are sure, tap on the disconnect button to disconnect with that contact. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the close button to close the connection. The other person will be notified that you have disconnected them from private share. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.